The air fryer toaster oven combines an air fryer and a conventional toaster oven into one appliance. With a more compact design, it performs all the same tasks as the other two. As a result, the air fryer toaster oven produces delicious, crispy, golden brown dishes that are wonderfully nutritious. It also limits 70 to 85% of fat during processing. The interior has a large amount of room as well. The toaster oven with an air fryer also has technology that uses hot air convection to cook food more evenly. So today, Best Product Picker will show you 10 best air fryer toaster oven on Amazon. Number 9. PowerXL Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This air fryer toaster oven is sold with a useful and complete 8-piece accessory set for you to cook anything. You'll get the non-stick baking rack and pan, stainless steel mesh frying basket, toaster, drip tray, and muffin pan. The 450 degrees non-stick baking pan gives you authentic baking touches and flavor on your favorite roasts. Smokeless virtual baking right on your counter every day of the year. Cook straight from the freezer right out of the freezer. 7 times superheated air and temperature circulate at extremely high speed to help your dishes cook evenly on the inside and golden crispy on the outside. You will need little or no oil when using it as an air fryer. Number 8. Instant Omni Air Fryer Toaster Oven. In case you are looking for a digital oven with dehydrator function, this is an excellent choice. Believe it or not, 14 in 1. You will love this machine with its wide range of cooking functions like air fry, bake, broil, roast, rotisserie, dehydrate, reheat, toast, warming, slow cook, and many more. With up to 1800 watts of high power along with quartz technology, heat is rapidly increased and evenly distributed for ultra-fast cooking performance. Even crisp technology makes your food crispy and delicious, like deep frying without oil. This toaster oven is equipped with split cook technology, which means cooking in 2 separate stages for your proper purposes. Temperature is stable and reasonable inside the oven space with sturdy double-glazed doors. This toaster oven is perfect for a large family. Its capacity can fit a 12-inch pizza or up to 6 slices of toast. A flexible temperature bar adjustable from 170 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit is suitable for all types of cooking with a progress display for easy monitoring. Number 7. Cuisinart Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven is probably too famous. It has a variety of cooking functions, such as roast, toast, dual cook, etc. You can even warm up your pizza with this air fryer toaster oven. Not only that, but it can also slow cook at low heat and braise food. The oven is equipped with an extremely powerful 1800-watt heater, plus a premium motor and fan that distributes high heat with even airflow. Your frying will turn out perfectly, cooked evenly on all sides. This toaster oven does not seem to make any noise during operation. Moreover, depending on your cooking needs, you can choose preset options such as time, convection fan speed, at a wide temperature range from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This oven is also equipped with advanced functions such as dehydrating and waterproofing, so that your foods have just the right amount of moisture. Number 6. Cuisinart Convection Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Cuisinart created the most compact toaster oven possible, but with the same performance as larger ovens. That's thanks to an intelligent operating system that covers most of your cooking needs. There are 6 extremely versatile cooking functions: convection bake, broil, air fry, toast, bagel, and warm. You will make anything with this compact air fryer toaster oven. You will easily adjust the temperature yourself with the knobs. The great thing about this compact appliance is that it heats up extremely quickly. up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And the cooking time can go up to a maximum of 60 minutes. It fits a 2.5 pounds chicken or 4 slices of toast. Great for individuals or small families that won't take up your countertop space. Number 5. Calphalon Convection Air Fryer Toaster Oven. An air fryer toaster oven that fits your 3-member family is here. With 11 extremely versatile cooking functions from air fry, toast, roast, dehydrate, pizza, keep warm, etc., this oven will satisfy all your family's cooking needs while just sitting on the countertop. Modern design with luxurious stainless steel color is compact enough to save you space, but still plenty for 3 people. Advanced convection technology with a quartz heat technique cooks food more evenly and with better crispness than conventional convection technologies. Moreover, this oven is equipped with a sharp LCD screen and bright lights inside. It helps you monitor the cooking process from the inside out. You also save a lot of time with this oven's super fast preheat mode. It easily bakes a 12-inch pizza and up to 6 slices of bread. Number 4. Cuisinart Chef's Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This amazing large air fryer toaster oven will satisfy all your cooking purposes. It can easily fit a 9x13 baking pan and 13 pizza without any cramps. The whole family can enjoy the party with this multi-function oven. This oven heats up very quickly with up to 15 cooking modes, more than you can imagine. It also has a built-in slow cooker and dual cook function for all your needs. The easy-to-follow touchscreen with prominent LED buttons helps you operate it without any difficulty. The convection air fry function helps it to weigh all the dishes. Included with the machine are many accessories that your large family will need. Number 3. Cosori Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The best air fryer toaster oven with a rotisserie function is none other than Cosori. In addition to the cooking function you are looking for, it also contains up to 12 other functions such as pizza, bake, broiling, dehydrating, fermenting, keeping warm, etc. The sharp LED display is equipped to help you easily monitor the cooking process and adjust accordingly. The convenient traditional dial controls are easier than ever to use. You can also keep an eye on what's going on inside with brightly lit interior lights. If you're fed up with greasy fried foods, use this air fryer for 85% less than traditional deep frying methods. With 30 liters capacity, you can easily bake up to 6 slices of toast at once or an entire large chicken. Besides, you have a smaller option. Number 2. Ninja Countertop Air Fryer Toaster Oven. You can say that this is the most versatile air fryer toaster oven because it contains up to 8 functions in one. Air roast, fry, toast, broil, bake, bagel, keep warm and dehydrate. It is almost all you need for your kitchen. The ultimate flexibility is provided by digital control technology. This product features optimum cooking performance thanks to a precisely controlled heat source, airflow, and temperature factors. This air fryer has also been shown to reduce dietary fat by 75%. The powerful 1800-watt power supply gives this toaster oven an extremely high performance. That makes it 60% faster than conventional ovens, helping you get a delicious meal in just 20 minutes with an adjustable temperature range from 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The cooking area of this version has also increased by 45% compared to previous versions, with a 13x13 air fry basket and sheet pan. Number 1. Ninja Foodi Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Because it is designed and equipped with cutting-edge technologies to make it as easy to use as possible. With just a touch of a button, you can control your work perfectly. The digital display handle will stop all display settings to prevent all unexpected reactions when opening the door. This ensures the safety of both you and your food. Your meals are guaranteed outstanding results. There is also an option of Ninja DT 200 and 51 air fryer toaster oven without thermometer. This oven also has a huge capacity with 2 trays to cook 2 levels at the same time without waiting. The air fry function reduces fat by up to 75% and produces crispier results than a traditional oven. Convenient accessories included in recipe instructions will also help you a lot. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe us to get the latest best products on Amazon right now.